Hello class, my name is Anthony Flores, and for my AT showcase today, I'm going to be presenting about the application called the Talk Typer. The Talk Typer is a free application that is available on the internet, which is great for the school systems. It's something that should not be blocked depending on the search domains that the school has, and it's accessible on computer, laptop, iPad, cell phone, pretty much anything that has internet. All you have to make sure is that you have an accessible microphone with whatever device you're using, which most of those devices already have themselves, and really you can get going. So the Talk Typer itself, it's a very simple application. It'd be usable with elementary school students or even people who are out of the school system. But the great thing about the Talk Typer is it helps students of varying with varying issues. So you could have kids who simply aren't comfortable typing. You have students who haven't really picked up on as much and maybe type a little slower than the rest of the class, and them being slower and getting caught behind, it could be frustrating. It could actually prevent them from even wanting to type anything at all. Could prevent them from doing any work just because they don't want to deal with the frustration. And if you're someone who's typing one letter at a time, it could be very time consuming to have to go letter after letter after letter. And especially for younger students, they sometimes struggle to keep their attention. So this device is good for that. And additionally, you will have students in some of the special ed classes that have physical handicaps, and those students, this could be very beneficial. It could really create that level playing field and give them a sense of confidence, give all these students that are using a sense of confidence that they're able to stay on par with the rest of the class, that their difficulties with typing don't have to interfere with their actual schooling. So I'm going to show everyone the website right now. As mentioned, the Talk Typer is a free website. So just go to talktyper.com. We have our dictate box, which is right here that I'm on. We have a green microphone, as you can see. It says dictate there. So we're going to try this out right now. Hopefully it works, just because we're recording. Hello, class. How is everyone? So we can see that this did pick up exactly what I said, which is great. I would hope when students are actually typing that they're writing a little bit more than this, but it could be a learning process. Sometimes the microphone won't pick everything up. I have had a few issues with it when I tried to talk a little bit longer, but it still could be quicker than when a lot of the students are actually typing themselves. So the good thing about this is once it gets down to this finish box, you have a few options. So we have a copy to text clipboard. So they'd be able to copy this and then bring it to another application. You can print it straight from this site. You have a clear button. You could send it via email, and they even have social media set up for it. So it's not only useful for the classroom, but just for really creating a sense of normality for students. There are a few disadvantages with it, but that comes with everything. As mentioned, we mentioned all the advantages before, but a few disadvantages would be is maybe some students would take advantage of it and they wouldn't even attempt to ever learn how to type. But really that, and there's not many other disadvantages for it. You could maybe say if a school is having connectivity issues, or if they just simply don't have access to these devices, you could have a little bit of an issue because they would have been relying on the application and now they have no ability to type. But most of those things aren't permanent issues. I know at my school we do have issues with the internet pretty frequently. So you would just have to hope that you didn't have an issue when the student needed to use it. And then if they needed to use it and they had no other form, you could maybe give them a little bit of an extension on whatever assignment you were doing. But overall, the Talk Typer, it's very beneficial to everyone who uses it. It's good for teachers because it does have a spell check application within it. You would just have to make sure you're getting on the students about trying to do their best to pick up on words and really understand how things look once they are typed. But it's great for teachers, it's great for the classroom, it's great for students, and it really does wonders for the confidence of those who especially struggle when it comes to typing. Thanks for watching my video.